guys, I'm now here in Dapitan, particularly the Rizal Shrine. Going to this place from the Arc, it took me 15 to 20 minutes. Then more or less 6 kilometers. Now, the Rizal Shrine is actually the place where Rizal stayed during his exile. He stayed here for 4 years and 13 days. The exile started July 16, 1892 and it ended July 31, 1896. This is also the place where Rizal met Josephine Bracken and where their love story was made. And this is also the place where Rizal operated his mother. This is the replica of Casa Residencia, the replica of Rizal's house here in Talisay. Again, if you have time, try to visit the Rizal Shrine here in Dapitan. It's more fun here in Dapitan, it's more fun in the Philippines. Bye guys!